what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
What's happening, guys? This is Eric from 1740 Garage. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're going to be working on my 2000 Chevy Silverado. Regular cab short bed. I'm doing a 5-inch drop to the front, and this is what we're working with. Okay, here it is, guys. 2000 Chevy Silverado, regular cab short bed. We're going to be doing a 5-inch front suspension drop to it. Now, this is what we're working with here. I went ahead and I went to Detroit Axle on the internet, and I bought new lower control arms, and I also bought new upper control arms. The kit comes with new boots for your steering rack. It also comes with new sway bar end links, new outer, new inner tie rod ends. We're going to be replacing those too. Also, here's the shocks. I got a set of Beltec street shocks. Also got brand new wheel bearings in these boxes here. And over here, we're going to be using McGoy's 2-inch drop spindles. And down here, we got Beltec 3-inch drop coils. There's the part number if you guys want it. Right there. Here's the number for the drop spindles. So yeah, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and set up a time lapse of me doing this, and I'll try to show you guys what's going on as it's going on. First thing we're going to have to do is I'm going to pull the caliper off. There's 2 bolts back here. Pull this caliper off, pull the rotor off. Since I got new spindles and I got new wheel bearings, I ain't going to have to worry about messing around with taking the wheel bearing out of this spindle. I'm just going to pull all of it off. New upper A-arms, going to pull them off. Sway bar end links right here. Pull them off. Inner and outer tie rod ends. Going to replace those. And the boots up there. And the lower control arm. And the spring. That's what we're going to do. I might go ahead and go in here and paint sand this frame rail down and go ahead and paint this while I'm in here too. Try to prevent some more rust from happening. But yeah, guys, that's exactly what we're going to do, and here we go. painted the frame. I got the new upper control arm on, and I got the new lower control arm on. These are the, see right here, you got a spacer right here. You got to put that in the middle of the A-arm, and you got to take your ball joint out. You got to have these big rivets you got to drill out. The rivets were a pain in the butt to get out. So, but once you get them out, you put the spacer in the middle. You put your ball joint on top, and you got to make it. There's a little notch on this ball joint. You got to make a notch to your A-arm, just right underneath of it, right here, to make room for your ball joint to sit on top. But besides that, you do that, and next you put on the lowering spring, and you put on your drop spindle. I'll be back in a second. Alright guys, so far I've got the went and put the 2-inch drop spindle on. Make sure you tighten all your bolts. You got your bolts for your bottom lower control arms. You got your top bolts. These are your alignment adjusters. And another thing too, I don't know if you can see it or not, but you have this little nipple right here. Now what I did, and if you want to do it, is I just took a black marker and I drew a line right there before I took it apart. That way I could some way get it close to where I had it before I go take it to the alignment shop. I got the spring in, I got the Beltec shock in. I got to hook up the ABS wire here. Tighten the ball joints, upper, lower. Right there, as you can see. Now on this spindle drop, you're going to have to use your 2 lower stock bolts, and the top comes with a stud right here. What you'll do is you'll screw the stud into the lower spindle, and they'll give you this nut. You put this nut on it. But got a new wheel bearing on there too. I'm gonna go ahead, it's getting late, I'm gonna go ahead and use I'm just gonna leave the stock lower or the inner and outer tie rod in on it for now. I'll probably finish it tomorrow. But yeah, so far that's where I got it. I'll be back in a minute. Alright guys, I got this much done. I'm gonna be getting new rotors and new calipers, and I think for right now I just got this zip tied and everything. I ran into a problem. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get steel braided brake lines. I think you have to get longer ones when you do the 5-inch drop. So yeah, I tried to turn the wheel and it's pretty tight right here, and none of this will line up right here where you got to bolt it up. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get some steel braided brake lines. But yeah, so far that's where I'm at. I'm gonna go ahead and probably end this video here and pick it back up tomorrow. All right, see you guys in the morning. Well guys, what's up? It's the next day. I went ahead and done the rest of the truck. I'd say it's on the ground. I went and picked up some 17-inch stocks off Silverado and put some 215s on them, and I'm pretty sure they're a little small. But my plans is to put some 22s on it, and I think it'll work out. So here's what it looks like. All right guys, there it is. It is literally on the ground. As you can see, I backed up and it was basically sweeping the floor. That is a 5-inch drop in the front. It's got a 7-inch drop in the rear. I plan on painting the truck Victory Red. I plan on doing that and doing some 22s on it. think my next video is going to be a center console swap. So I'll make a video on that, and here I'll go ahead and I covered it in another video, but I'll go ahead and show you guys again the rear frame. Like I said, is a C notch. It's a bolt-in notch. Went in and had it welded. Flip kit. I believe that is I want to say that is a Western chassis. I think that's the name of the flip kit. But it's got a Beltec 1-inch drop shackle on the back, and then the 6-inch flip kit, the C-notch, and the Beltec shocks in the back. Had all 4 of these cross members replaced because, like I said in my previous video, these two right here, they rotted out. But yeah, that's it so far. I also have a roll pan in that box there. But yeah, guys, that's it. Guys, let me know what you think down in the comment section. I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to do my next video. I think it's going to be the console swap and the regular cab short bed. I picked up a console, and the console that I picked up is tan. My interior is like dark gray. So I think what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and do a video also. I know I can go and find a dark gray center console, not a big deal, but I picked this one up for a good deal. I think it was like 20 bucks I picked it up for. So I'm going to go ahead and do next video on that, and I'll probably go ahead and try my hand at some interior dye. See if that won't work, but let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. But I'll catch you guys later, and have a good day.
Women, boys, and doors. Fast money don't show.